Hi, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix do not connecting after match is accepted. So first things first, you need to check your internet connection and make sure that you're connected to a fast and stable internet. You can also use Gamer's private network like WT Fast to optimize your connection. You can also adjust your firewall and antivirus. You can temporarily disable it or add it to as an exception. You can also change the launch settings. You can add dash netforce underscore force underscore steam add data program one under launch option. You can also verify game files on Steam by using these properties, local files, and verify integrity. You can also update your network drivers and try different servers if you want to. Then from there, delete the bin folder as well from the installation directory and verify game files again. And as a last resort, head over and reinstall Data 2 from in there. So that's how you fix Dota 2 not connecting after much is accepted. Hope we helped.